What's up, everyone? It's your girl Stephanie, and yesterday was Lunar New Year, Year of the Ox. Let's go. This weekend also marks 1 year since I've seen my parents, or my family actually in general in the Bay Area, which is just so upsetting in general. But in addition to that, it's been a year since I've had like a really good home-cooked Chinese meal. So I decided to attempt to make some dishes that I've never made, either because, you know, my family makes it really well, or we order it at a restaurant. And this video is in partnership with Our Place. We got a cookware sponsor, everyone. Oh my God. I included this in a gift guide, I wanna say 2 years ago. I got like an ad for it and I was like, I'm gonna buy that. And I have loved these pans, you hear something inside, ever since. So let's open it up. First of all, this colorway is gorgeous. I love this green. It also got a purple, a lavender moment. Inside you get a steamer basket along with, you know, the pan and the lid, and then a wooden spoon that fits perfectly on the handle there. The pan itself is a really nice non-stick, non-toxic ceramic coated pan. You don't have to worry about any toxic metals. It's a really lightweight construction. It's only 3 pounds total, even though it feels so heavy duty. This little knob here is heat resistant. It does not get hot, so you can touch it no problem. The handle is made out of the same material. I feel like this pan is just made for everyone. I actually gave my old one, the one that I bought, to my mom, you know, because I got some new ones in here. She uses it all the time. When you have functional, beautiful things to cook with, it just makes the whole process so much more enjoyable and you want to do it more. Of course, there's a link in my description box, like always, so make sure to click that link to check these guys out. Okay, so before we get into the actual cooking, I know this is such a long intro for this video, but like, bear with me here. So Suguno and Mia, my best friends, came over and I cooked them dinner. So Suguno is pescatarian. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make a pescatarian Lunar New Year dinner. We're gonna do a steamed fish. We're gonna do some, you know, braised mushrooms, tofu lettuce wraps, vegetarian egg drop soup. It's a little bit different to film a video where I'm just making something to show you on camera compared to making a whole meal that like we're actually eating for Lunar New Year. And it's also my first time like trying to make these dishes, especially like the steamed fish. Oh my gosh. So I prepped a lot of stuff beforehand and I was obviously trying to cook everything at the same time. And then Suguno was helping me film. So I hope the footage is okay. So please enjoy my pescatarian Lunar New Year dinner. Is this crooked? Oh, of course, this is right when I always, whenever I just start talking.
And it's like a rap beat too. It's like blah, 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 blah.
We're gonna start off by doing the mushroom dish because that has to braise, and then we'll do the fish. And while that's going, we're gonna do a lettuce wrap. I already made the egg drop soup. That one's like super simple and looks tasty. 4 cloves of garlic. Whoa. Too high.
Yeah. Oh, they're getting nuked.
No!
Alright, there's like a secret to this opening this.
Dude, I opened
Twist to break inner seal.
I opened it. Dude. The fish is in here. I've never cooked a whole fish by myself.
Look at that guy, dude. Rip to the homie.
this ginger and put it inside. And we're gonna put all the scallions inside too.
Dang, it's called flavor. It's called fucking flavor. You heard of it?
There we go. So fish is stuffed.
It's boiling. Now we can simmer it.
Okay, cool. Just let it go. Let's set a timer because set timer for 20 minutes.
Set timer for 20 minutes.
This basket's so nice. Look at this handle. Oh, damn. Okay, you're gonna fit. Goodbye for like 15 minutes.
He's in a sauna. Don't worry about him.
I wanted to do lettuce wraps, but I cheated because I got this thing right here. It's sauce for, okay, it's just a sauce. It's just a sauce for lettuce wraps, but they got directions in the back. So in here it actually says ground chicken or ground pork, but we're just gonna be using tofu. All you have to do is pretty much combine the tofu and some carrots, water chestnuts, green onions, and peanuts. You literally just cook that all together, put the sauce on it, and then that's the lettuce wrap. So we're just gonna go ahead. We're just gonna do that. Look at that. That's nice. Oh my gosh, wait.
Hi, feelings. Josie's jealous.
Mia is making a sweater. Hi, Mia. Hi.
Mochi.
For Mochi. Because Mochi's here. Oh. Hello? Okay, wait. You gotta go back. Okay, so we did it. We just had to do the sauce. Let's finish off the mushrooms first, though. So we have a cornstarch slurry. We're just gonna stick it in there. There's a lot of sauce. Oh, we gotta take out the little bay leaves. Take it out. And then we're gonna do a dash of Chinese cooking wine. Ooh. These are dishes I've like always wanted to make.
And now?
And now we're doing it.
Let's go.
Quarantine, baby!
Quarantine puts us in roots with our roots. In cahoots with our roots.
Check this out. Do you see this?
Wow, look at that. That's incredible. Honestly, that's really cool.
Really useful.
that's
It's
really
really
tight.
nice.
Yeah.
This is gonna be for the mushrooms. I already cooked these veggies here. These are actually from my sister's garden. They're gorgeous. I just did,
Shout out Ashley Vieira.
yeah. Shout out Ashley, thank you. I just did some garlic and oil. That's it.
Yo, pan makers have been sleeping before, dude.
Yeah.
You were asleep and you fumbled the bag and they came for it. Look at this, bro. Use your strong hand for this.
That's a lot of sauce. Fish is on the platter, everyone. Some oil. Seasoned soy sauce for seafood. A little bit of sugar. And we're going to do some of this garnish. I honestly like to do most of it. And then for the rest of the garnish, we're just gonna actually put it on top of the fish. So now what we're gonna do is, yes, I did an outfit change, everyone. We have to pour this on top of the fish now. Oh shit, oh my god. That was anticlimactic.
You don't know,
That
dude.
was anticlimactic.
You can
Woohoo! Oh my gosh, we did it. We did it. This soup is really good, and it, yeah, it literally took just a couple minutes. This is hella good. Okay, give me your one plate. And then wait. Watch out for bones. I don't think there was any bones in that one, but you know. I don't think there's ones. Oh, there might be little back bones. Okay. Uh-oh. Here. definitely has bones in there.
Yep, I see them.
Here. Also, this sauce on rice is like my favorite thing.
Oh, it's so good though. So flaky.
It's good. Feels weird to eat this food in such a quiet environment because usually like my whole family is just screaming all around me. I don't think there's any bones there. Okay. It turned out good. Real good.
Oh my god, man, fried mushroom is so good.
I'm not over the fish.
The fish is good.
I like the fish.
You like the fish? The fish was really good. It was really flaky.
Oh hell yeah. This is really good. I'm gonna keep enjoying this and I'll see all of you in a second. Mia, what was your favorite thing?
I like the fish.
The fish?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, the fish are winner.
Okay.
The mushrooms.
The mushrooms?
The mushrooms. The fish was great too though. It was really a toss-up.
I like the fish, but it wasn't as good as when my mom makes it.
Wow.
It's like I'm comparing it to all my family. The mushrooms not as good as like when my uncle makes them. But my family never makes egg drop soup. So I think that was my favorite. Because I have nothing to compare it to. Hi everyone. Was that a mess or what? But the outcome, okay, let me tell you. Every single thing was so yummy, and I was so happy that, you know, Mia especially enjoyed the steamed fish because she's actually never had fish prepared the Chinese way, like a whole one like that, and she loved it. And I was pleasantly surprised by the lettuce wraps with the tofu instead of meat. I know you're typically supposed to have certain dishes for Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year at least, like chicken and, you know, but we made it pescatarian, we made it work, and we were all so stuffed afterwards. Definitely link out, first of all, the recipes that I used, but I used a few YouTube videos. So I'll link those videos out for you to check them out. My uncle is the one in the family who like cooks insane stuff, right? We go over to their house and it just looks like he's chilling. And then he comes out with all this crazy stuff. I think it's just like a lot of like day before preparation that goes down. And we just don't appreciate how much work goes into this food. Like this really made me think, oh my God, like so much planning and just experience obviously goes into making these kind of dishes. Really, it just made me miss my family more because this holiday really is the one, you know, there's Christmas and stuff, but this is like the one that's really about family, and I was glad that I could share that with Seguno and Mia. This video has really inspired something in me. I think I'm not gonna try and make it for like a dinner party, but I would love to try more of my mom's and my uncle's dishes. I will obviously continue to be using the Our Place pans in it because they're perfect for these kind of meals. If you're interested, again, check them out in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all had a good Lunar New Year. I know this year it's been a difficult one, so I'm here with you. If you haven't yet this weekend or today or when you're seeing this, call your family up, you know, give them a virtual hug, or if you can in real life, give them a real hug, because it's a time for us to really stick together. So, all right, I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.